helps in digestion. Mangoes could help facilitate healthy digestion. According to the book, Healing Foods by DK Publishing, mangoes contain enzymes that aid the breakdown and digestion of protein, and also fiber, which keeps the digestive tract working efficiently. Dietary fiber helps lowering risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes. Green mangoes have more pectin fiber than ripe mangoes. Boosts immunity. You would be surprised to know that an average-sized mango contains up to 2/3 of the daily recommended intake of vitamin C. The powerful antioxidant helps boost immunity system and prevents cold/flu. Promotes eye health. Including mangoes in the diet may also help promote your eye health. Mangoes are rich in beta-carotene that helps in the production of vitamin A. The powerful antioxidant helps improve vision, boosts overall eye health and even prevents age-related macular degeneration or loss of vision. Promotes healthy gut. According to the book Healing Foods, mango flesh contains prebiotic dietary fiber, which helps feed good bacteria in the gut. Healthy gut is detrimental for a healthy state. Leaky gut, apart from poor digestion, results in skin conditions like IBS, asthma, slow metabolism and other health issues. Clears the skin. Mangoes are filled with skin-friendly vitamin C and vitamin A, both of which are crucial for healthy skin and skin repair. Mangoes, eaten in moderation, are also known to exfoliate and eliminate dead pores. According to macrobiotic nutritionist and health practitioner Shilpa Arora ND, mangoes are loaded with skin-healing nutrients. For example, fiber in mangoes cleanses your gut that is overloaded with toxic substances. Lowers cholesterol. Eating mangoes could help regulate your cholesterol levels too. The high levels of fiber pectin may help bring down the low-density lipoprotein, LDL, or bad cholesterol, which causes plaques in the vessels and blocks blood flow. Aids weight loss. Mangoes, when eaten in moderation, could also help in weight loss. The phytochemicals in the mango skin act as natural fat busters. The mango flesh is filled with dietary fibers. Fibers induce a feeling of satiety. On eating high-fiber fruits or veggies, you feel full for a longer time, which prevents you from tucking in other high-fattening snacks.